almost forgot. This is my first video, so give me a break. Got to make sure you put this guy back on first. And I unscrewed this from the console, which you can do while it's in the vehicle. And that way it's easier to work with. You don't have to bring the whole console in with you and worry about nicking or dinging it on something. I've heard a couple people say, common misconception, when these things come apart, they think that this rubber band is what holds it up, but it's just those little tabs that went bad. So I'm hoping this is at least a longer fix. May not be a permanent one, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, there you go. Once you hook it back up, gotta make sure that rubber band goes in all the right grooves. Otherwise, we'll have to pull it apart again. All right, we're ready.